It can feel very overwhelming when you want to open an account with Fidelity, and in this video I'm going to share with you all the important things that you need to know, and then also in the end I'm going to share with you the tips for the funds that you can look into yourself. So let's start. So in a moment when you are going to be here for the Fidelity, you want to come here and find a cash management account. So competitive rates on a cash premium banking feature. So helps grow your savings account with the competitive rates, easy access to cash and no account fees, all with the Fidelity cash management account. This is the first start because you want to start here for the money you spend and need access to. It works like a checking account, debit card, ATM access, bill pay, but pays much better interest than a normal bank. This is where your paycheck lands and where you're spending money lives. So it's the foundation before you start investing. So the example for it is the Jordan 18 first job out of high school. Jordan paycheck direct deposits into his CMA. He gets a debit card, pulls cash from ATM with the fees reimbursed, and his idle cash earns interest instead of sitting dead in a regular bank account. So that's for that. Then the second account that you want to have is a Roth IRA. So the Roth IRA is here on the top. For this one is a potential tax-free growth and withdrawals. Now, what is it? This is the most important account for most young people. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on. It grows for decades and you withdraw it tax-free in retirement because you can pull out your contributions, not earnings, anytime without penalty. It doubles as a backup safety net. The catch, you can only contribute if you have earned income and only up to what you earned with the annual cap. So let's say there is a Jessica that is 24, first nursing job, and Jessica opens a Roth IRA and contributes from her salary. She's in low tax bracket now, so she's paying the tax today is cheap, and in 40 years everything comes out tax free. Opening it early also starts the clock ticking on the account's age requirement. So this is for that, and that's great to have. Then you are going to have the standard brokerage account. So this one, invest on your own. So this is for investing just beyond retirement. So once your retirement account is handled, this is where the extra money is going to go. There are no contributions limits and no withdrawal penalties. You see right here, no account minimum, no fees, an option for someone who wants to trade any amount, invest with as little as $1. So you can have stocks, bonds, ETFs, options, mutual funds. So you can take money out anytime. The trade-off is that it has no special tax advantages, so it's meant for goals that aren't retirement. So let's say Chris, 30 years old, maxed out the Roth IRA. Chris already puts the yearly max into his Roth. He's got more he wants to invest, so he opens a regular brokerage account for the extra flexible money he could use for a house down payment or just to keep growing. So let's say that you want to invest into stocks that you believe in, or you want to invest into ETFs or other instruments. This is the way to go. Then through your job you can get 401k. This is primarily for the employer, but that's pretty much it for the accounts, what you want to actually focus on right now. Now there are some great funds or even the ETFs that you can invest your money into, or even shares. It really depends what kind of thing you want to do. What I would encourage you to do is focus on how you can save, how you can continually build the emergency fund, and how you can learn to invest money even right here when you can invest $100, $200 a monthly somewhere. So like the Fidelity 500 index fund where you're gonna have 0.015 expense ratio, so that's good. And also for that you're gonna find holdings 500 large cap companies, so 13% average annual report over the past 5 years, and it's even portable. So this one right here is a very interesting idea. Or then you're gonna have the total US market, so the Fidelity 0 total market index fund. So that's like another one that you can check out. Expense ratio 0.0%. There you're gonna have the 2,600 plus holdings, and there, as I mentioned, 0.0% expense. And it's even what is important to say is not portable, but still you don't have any expense ratio there. So that's like very interesting one to check out too. But I'm not here your financial advisor. I don't know your situation, but I know for sure one thing. I'm 30 years old right now, and I wish I would invested more. Yeah, I make good money from the business, but I had some stuff going on, and the best thing you can do is have their automatic investment. That's like the key. because I started having a lot of money on my account and the business was doing well and I was having a lot of fun, let's say. And that was interesting. So it was still good memories, but still, what you want to do has automatic investments, okay, from the money that you're going to earn. That, okay, this is the amount that I want to, like the percentage that I'm going to put, and you're going to have to be disciplined about it. So the curse of the discipline is that the everyday looks in a way same. But the curse of not discipline and being kind of like lazy and not disciplined is that every year looks worse. And that's what is very interesting about discipline. And that's what I want to share with you guys. So hope this video provides a little bit of value on what to start with. Primarily, you want to have patience and think long term. And primarily focus on how you can be healthy, how you can have the health in order with what you eat, how much you're exercising, right? How much you take care of yourself and how much you take care of the mental health. Because I'm telling you right now, what stopped me most in my growth was primarily the mental health issues that I had. It's taken care of now. I feel better than I was like in 20s. And I mean that. But taking care of it was so important. Because like it stopped me so much. And I wish you all the best, guys, in journey. You're gonna have it interesting with all the AI and I'm 30, I got it also interesting, but I see that if I would be 18, like I don't know. The life is interesting right now, very interesting. So I wish you all the best. I hope this video provided you value and a little bit of guidance. And thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.